Hi kids, how are you? Today I am going to teach you the neighborhood. Already in the last three classes you learned many things in the neighborhood. What is the neighborhood? How is the neighborhood? How the people help each other in the neighborhood? Which places we can see the neighborhood? That all you know that. Today I am going to give you the notes. In a neighborhood, the first one is multiple choice questions. Look at here, first question. He takes letters from a letter box to a post office. Who takes the letters from the letter box to the post office? Is a postman, is a policeman, or a doctor? Who is postman? The postman takes the letters from the post box, then take it into the post office. It is automatic machine that allows people to take out money anytime. What is that? Is it a ATM or laptop or engine? So that is a automatic machine. That is a full form of the ATM. You know that, children. He catches thieves and helps to search for lost people or things. Is a doctor or a fireman or a policeman? Who catches the thieves? Those who are robber things in any houses or in shops. Someone is catching them. Is it no? Who are that? They are the policeman. She looks after us if we have to stay at the hospital. Who take care of us when we are staying in the hospital? Who looks after? Just teacher or a doctor or a nurse? See, teacher is not. Doctor just give the treatment. But who taking care of us is the that is the nurse. We learn many things at park, bank or school. Park, no one teach. In bank, no one teach. But in the school, we learn many things. Is it no? Next one. Fill in the blanks. You are given options for each question. There are two options given. Which is the correct one? We have to choose that and to write on the dash. People living in the same area form a what? Community or neighbors? The correct answer is community. So we are living in the community. A or an dash as ladders and hoses. Hoses are pipes. It is ambulance or fire engine. It is the fire engine. For the fire engine only have the ladders and the pipes. Dash control traffic. Fireman or traffic policeman. Who control the traffic? Policeman. Which policeman? Traffic policeman. Many dash have a chemist shop. We have the chemist shop. Chemist shop means, I said, medical shop. It is near the banks or in the hospital or near the hospital. Many hospitals have the chemist shop. The dash looks after the park. Is a carpenter or gardener? Who looks in the garden or who take care of the plants or trees in the garden or in the park is the gardener. The gardener looks after the park. We should try to make our neighborhood how? Blue or green? Or should we keep? We should like to see the green. We should try to make our neighborhood green. Next one, answer the following question. Write the names 5 things you can buy in a big market. When you go to the big market, what you will buy? We buy clothes, books, grocery. Grocery means you know what we need things for our house. That all things. Vegetables, even fruits. even furnitures, what we need, anything for our house or for our education, everything we get in the market, even the medicines also. Where do we keep our money and jewelry? We keep our money and jewelry in a bank because bank is very safest place. No one cannot robbery in the bank. Why? Because they're keeping a security system. But when we keep money or jewelry in the home, we cannot watch always. Is it no? So that's why we are keeping in a bank. Who looks after people during their stay in hospital? I said, just doctor give the treatment. That's it. Again, who take care of us? A nurse looks after people during their stay in the hospital. Next question. Whom do we call if there is a fire? If anywhere, or in a house, or in school, or in a, others' house, if we see the fire, if there is a fire, we call fireman from a fire station. We can call to the fire station. The fireman, they come with a fire van. So what is there? There is a the tank filled with the water by using the pipe. There reduce the fire. Is it no? Okay, I hope you understand this lesson, children. Okay, you can continue your notes. You can complete the notes. Next class I will come with a new topic. Bye kids.